We're gonna stoke up this fire and get breakfast going. All right, I got a couple cinnamon rolls I wrapped up in tin foil. We're gonna go and warm those suckers up. Got some very frozen breakfast sausages. I'm hungry, cold, and thirsty, and this is just hitting the spot. It's a spiced orange herbal tea. Hopefully I thawed these and not burned them. Ooh, a little bit of both. Ooh, a caramel pecan cinnamon roll. Burned it a little bit right there, but it's still good. Oh, that was good. All right, I think it's time to get to work. Woo, this is cold. The tang's a little bit wonkier than I would like, so I'm trying to improve it with the file. All right, that's about as good as I'm gonna get with these tools.